everybody. So we're at ISSA in Las Vegas. Matt just got his hair done. Very nice.
Actually,
I did mine too.
It's actually my bedhead. So, but yeah, we're here at ISSA in North America here in Las Vegas today, and we're looking forward to putting a podcast together. So that's gonna
We
be
have our
fun.
first guest, speaker with us on our podcast, so that should be interesting.
Yep.
Hopefully, he enjoys himself.
We're gonna go check out some stuff today and
Who's
ask
here? It's Eric from Waxing.
ask some people some questions. So hang in there. We'll see you in a bit.
Okay, we're going to give you a cleaning question. What's the difference between cleaning and disinfecting?
I think cleaning would be more just removing grit, grime, and stuff like that, but not actually killing bacteria and making the surface sanity safe, basically. Sanitary.
What do you think? The hand. All right. You get the handshake.
All right.
Good job. All right. Well, we started doing a podcast because we do a lot of videos, and people have asked us to do a podcast.
Yeah.
All right.
Smart.
We'll give it a shot. And it's been, I think we're on 4 or 5. 4 or 5. We're doing one today with the ISSA guy Jeff Cross. I don't know if you've ever followed Straight Talk, but he has a podcast. How long has Protein been in business?
30 plus years. We started as a contract cleaner himself, needed a better, lighter way to clean a building, and invented the lightweight backpack vacuum. And now we have 2 versions of the Go Fit series, in corded and cordless.
We've been using Protein vacuums for 25 years, probably.
Yeah.
I remember we have our first one sitting in my garage.
It's a great partner to have. I've been around for 17 years with this brand, running the marketing.
Great.
Good. Did you ask a question?
I did.
Oh, okay. Did she answer it right?
Of course.
Okay. Good.
So you want a shirt?
I don't even know who that is. You know who that is? Is she the person who's dating Travis Kelce? Okay, just making sure.
It's Travis Kelce's girlfriend.